after much difficulty or some challenges, we were finally able to check into our hotel, and I'm starting this room tour from our small but cute balcony. And so this is the room that we're having for 2 nights. Let me show you. Okay, so let's make it smaller. There's a small table over there. It's also a small TV. And there's the bed and the side table. Please open the light. So there's a full-length mirror over here. These are our bags, and they do have cabinets, so that's nice. And then there's the bathroom, the toilet. So yeah, again, small but adequate, I would say.